When we extract data from the same source, we often notice that the format of that data is always the same, and you need to do further transformation on that table. Let's take this table as an example. Here in column A, I only need the date and I don't need this time. In column B, that is customer ID, I only need numbers. In column C, that is serial number, I need space to be replaced by hyphen. And in column E, I need rounded whole number. Now let's assume that this is a task that you manually do every time once you download the data. And if the data is large, this will actually take you a lot of time. You can automate this entire task by using a macro, and I'll quickly show you how to do that. I have a macro code here in Notepad. I'll copy this code. I'll click on developer tab. I'll click on Visual Basic. I'll click on this workbook and I'll paste the code here. After pasting the code, I'll close this window. Now to execute the macro, I'll click on view. I'll click on macros. I'll click on view macros, and here you'll see the macro that I've just created. Now before I click on run, I want you to see this data. Once I'll click on run, this data will change immediately. Now as I explained earlier, the data has now been changed as per my requirement. Using Excel macros to automate transformation of a table is actually a good choice if you usually work on data that are of similar format.